Hello, this is Mike Strange with Paradise Farms. I'm just going to kind of show you guys how to use a ratchet rake to kind of clean out the fence row. The ratchet rake is here. The reason they call it a ratchet rake is it ratchets on right here to your front bucket. Goes over the chains, goes over the bucket, straps to this thing, and you can see straps underneath here, goes all the way around under the bucket. So it's really great. These front teeth come out, stick into the vines and stems and things, and you got these smaller ones as well that'll go down to the bottom, dig out roots and things like that. So what we got here is, you can see the fence road. I've been working on that, and this is what we got to get through so we can even get up close to the fence. So lots of work here. I'll kind of show you guys how this works if I can do this one-handed while I record this. It helps if it's in four-wheel drive. Kind of tilt it down to where we go into it with the teeth facing out. Here, so we're going to go up. I'm going to come over to the back side of this, bring it down, stay out of the fence, hopefully. Put the feet down. Put the reverse and kind of back out of this thing. We gotta kind of, if the wheels are spinning, so we gotta back it out, let up a little pressure as we come back. As we come down the hill, we'll add more pressure. Bring it up. And as you can see there, now I can see the fence and get two things. Go one more bite here. This isn't easy to do one-handed, but try not to tear anything up. Or something like that, so we end up. Alright. We'll show you real quick what we did. So that grabs everything through the teeth in there. And as you can see here, now we can get to stuff. And this is what it was. Alright, this is Mike signing off. Highly recommend a ratchet rake if you got a bucket tractor.